Hello everybody. Today's video is a little bit different. We are at an outdoor music festival. We are in Yuba, Wisconsin, which is a little bit from Hillsboro, Wisconsin. So we are here for a weekend outdoor music festival called Bonfire. So come check it out with us. So I will show you around a little bit. I'm a little bit down the hill from that bonfire sign, but I will show you all the cars and all of the tents and everybody that's just having a good time. So let me turn this around. You see all those cars? So we are parked way up behind those trees. But there are so many people here. Like I said, this is a 3-day festival. We're only here for 1 day. So a bunch of campers, and so the campers are all down here and all the regular cars are up around the hill, but there's one stage in this tent here, and then way up here, maybe if I can do it, way up here there's another stage. So they keep flopping back and forth between the two different stages, but look at all those people. And then there's more people obviously behind me on this hill. Just decided to go way up by the tree lines and camp up there. So lots and lots of people. Should be a good time. It's a little humid, but it's all good. I guess you don't even need a tent. You can just bring a hunting blind. That counts, right? It's really cool. There's people that are decorating their vehicles with their tents. This van is burning some incense. They even have a little wood pile here called wood stack. That's cute. Shoes are optional. The wind has picked up a little bit. It has started to cool down. It's supposed to rain tonight. We'll see, but I'm on top of the hill here, and the views are amazing. There's people starting to set up. So the main headliner for tonight, for Saturday, is Michael Franti. So we're looking forward to seeing that. So I'll show you some more views. People at hammocks in the trees.
The bands were playing on 2 different stages, the main stage and underneath this white tent. So when one band was finished, the other one would start. So people would move between one stage and the other.
I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me at all, but it smells so good around here. I'm walking through where they have all the food. It just smells fantastic around here. We are so full because we ate at the hotel, but it's pretty cool around here. You can see all the people around me. It's going to get lively tonight.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to the stage Michael, Franti, and Spearhead. Bonfire, how you feeling, y'all? 1, 2, here we go. Everybody wants me to be who they want me to be except for you. Put your hands up to the sky. Are you ready? I want to see y'all jumping. I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive, I'm alive. Breathe in, breathe out, and float on like, hey, the stars are awful bright tonight, and things gonna be, it's gonna get better, better. Put your hands up high. Anybody know this song? Would anybody like to come up here and sing it with me? I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to chill today, and I wish I had it down for every bit like out today. Some days I lose and win. The water's high, the times are only good. Bring it down low. How you feeling, y'all? People way up on the top of the hill. How you feeling up there? People down here in the Soul Bowl. How you feeling, y'all? What's your name?
My name is Stella.
Stella. Stella, did I say right? Stella. Give it up for Stella, y'all. You take all the hard lessons and live loving and turn them into blessings. Don't complicate it. Keep it simple. Just work hard and be nice to people. Just work hard and be nice to people. Look on the bright side. When it rains, sweet on the sunshine. Everybody likes getting them good vibes, 'cause everybody's got a heart on the inside. Organized the car festivals 30 feet apart out here during COVID, so that we could at least be together in that way in the spirit of music. Now, if you came here with somebody you love this weekend, put both hands up high. Now reach down to the side, grab onto your friends, give them a big squeeze. Even if they're not your friends, don't leave anybody out. And now turn to your left or your right or front and behind you, either way. And introduce yourself to somebody that you never ever met before. Give them a hug. Give them a high five. Tell them your name. Tell them your Instagram name so you can find their pictures at the end of the weekend. Take all of your praise, all of your cares. Take all of the good times and ones you can't bear. Take all of the hassle, all of the hustle, and roll it all up like one piece of the puzzle. Take all of your people, all of their dreams. Take all your laughs and your tears in between. Call to your maker, up to the sky. Throw it up high and meet me when the sun goes down. Just like the sun and moon come round. You know I love you every day and night. Just like the sun and moon come back around. Come back around. You know I love you. I feel the healing of my sorrows just fall away like dry leaves turn to petals in the spring. The magic that you bring unlocks that thing inside of me, my baby.
Look into your eyes and I can see it crystal clear. I love you every day and night, just like the sun and moon.
pain of my years gone by. Just hardly, okay. You know, my love to both of them. See, it's in the blood. Give it up for Mikey on the piano. We sing all the freaky people make the beauty of the world. One more time, all the freaky people make the beauty of the world. Little ass in it. All the freaky people make the beauty of the world. All the freaky people make the beauty of the world.
Too dark for us.
That's so beautiful. Oh, I'm not afraid to be alone. Being alone is better with you. Life is better with you. Whoa, whoa. Life is better with you. Whoa, whoa. Life is better with you.
Let the river fall. Let the river run in your. Let the river run in more. Let the river save in your.
We just put out a new song last Friday. And I made up a TikTok dance for it.
Tracy, do it. You can do it, right?
No, I don't know what's exactly. But I know that he just put on.
Half you were cracking up, the other half are going, what is TikTok? Anyway, this song is called Big Big Love. And so the idea of the song is that every single being on this planet, we all have one thing in common, which is that we were all born on this earth. And it doesn't matter if you're a human being, or if you're a dog being, or if you're a blade of grass being, or if you're a tree being, or you're a mountain being, or a drop of water being. We've come a long way, haven't we? Baby, yeah, you and me. Yeah, we still dreaming. We built a family, little house, filled it up with memories. And we still believing. The yesterdays we fell down some, but the best of days are yet to come. The little things, they all add up. If it overflows, you raise your cup. We got big, 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 big love. Bigger than the sun coming down on us. When it goes down, now we can light it up. Cause we got big, 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 big love. And oh my, every little thing's gonna be alright. Throw your hands high in the air, one love. Big, 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 big love. You got it, y'all. I got you, yeah. You got me, yeah. I got you, yeah. You got me, yeah. Baby, I got you, yeah. And this is a song I wrote for myself when I was feeling in a dark place. It goes. Don't give up when your heart is weary. Don't give up when your eyes are teary. Don't give up when your voice is trembling. When your life needs mending. Don't give up when the hurt is near you. Don't give up when the world seems to be broken. I'm still hoping with my heart open. Hey, yeah. For a brighter day, oh, well, oh, well, oh. Don't give up when your pride is bruised. Till it was gone, gone, gone. So close your eyes, Throw your hands up to the skies. I got my feet here on the ground while I float on the satellites. And should I die, I know love was here tonight. Close your eyes, throw your hands up, your hands up, your hands up to the sky. Throw your hands up to the our way, 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 our way. Are you ready? Throw your hands up to the our way, 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 our way. Come on. Say, hey, I'll be gone again. I'll be back coming around the way. Seems like everywhere I go, the more I see, the less I know. And I know one thing, that I love you. Baby girl, I love you, I love you, I love you. Shoot, my mama told me don't lose you, cause the best luck I had was you. And I know, Wisconsin, that we love you.
Thank you for watching today's video. We had so much fun at the Driftless Music Garden. The music was great. The company was good. It was fun to people watch. The headliner at 9 o'clock tonight was Michael Franti, and he put on such a good show. If you've not seen one of his shows, he's got such a motivational message in all of his music. It was so good to listen to. It was so fun to be there in person and see him, and he's so nice. I actually got to have a picture taken with him at the end of the night, so that was such an honor. Hope this video helped you. Hope you enjoyed the things that I shared with you. It was fantastic, and there was 2 other, I believe, music festivals that are coming up for the rest of the summer. So if you're interested in those, I would definitely hop on their website and get your tickets now. But otherwise, thank you again for watching. If you liked this video, please consider subscribing or giving it a thumbs up, and we will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.